Hello, champion. George Duarte here. In this episode, I'm going to share with you how you can make it a phenomenal, awesome Super Bowl treat going into the future. Here we go. Real quick. Boom. So now we got avocado, we have tomatoes, we have onion, we have garlic, we have fresh cilantro, we have some pink Himalayan salt with some pepper, we have some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, onion powder, some of Georgie's all-purpose rub. We're going to be using some of Georgie's amazing all-purpose barbecue sauce, the original. We're going to be using a little bit of the lemon juice. So let's get right to it. So first and foremost, we're going to be using this awesome Braun mixer, or how would you call it, a immersed blender. Well, I love it. And we might put a little bit of some habanero pepper in it right here. We got some little habanero pepper. So we're gonna do that like that. We're gonna blend this up right quick. This is gonna be real simple, guys, real simple. Watch how fast this goes. Watch how fast this goes. I'm making a little bit of a mess. Look how fast this goes. Boom, right? Quick, right? Now, Himalayan salt and pepper to taste, right? The nutritional yeast is B12, so I'm gonna put probably like a tablespoon in that. Boom. We're gonna use about a half a teaspoon or so of black pepper. Of onion powder and garlic powder. I'm gonna put maybe a teaspoon or so of Georgie's all-purpose rub. I'm going to go right back and mix it a little bit more. Then after that, what I'm going to do to this too is I'm going to go ahead and add some lemon juice to taste. Lemon juice to taste, and also some Georgie's to taste. Okay? She's moving around quickly, ain't she? All right, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice back to taste. I'm going to dice up a little bit of the, let me put this over here out the way. I'm going to dice up a little bit of some cilantro, fresh cilantro. This is real simple, guys, real simple. You're going to be like the talk of the town with this for Super Bowl Sunday. And this is not just for Super Bowl Sunday, but this is a go-to right here. So I'm going to put maybe half these tomatoes. I cut up a Romano tomato and about a quarter of an inch, about that or so, of some of the onion. And then I did, and you can put as much or as least as you want. I cut up the garlic because I like the fresh garlic in there. Put that in there. Chop that up. And the whole prep time took about 10 minutes between cutting up the tomato, between cutting up the onion and the garlic. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of Georgie's in. I'm using the original. Maybe almost a tablespoon, about, right? I'm gonna take just a little bit off of this habanero. Just a little bit, because this is hot. And I'm telling you, when you're using this right here, make sure you use gloves, because I didn't use the gloves this particular time, but make sure you use gloves. That's a warning tip, okay? Just a little bit. We're gonna take just a little bit of it and put off of there, right? Boom. Now, I'm gonna, just a touch. Now I'm gonna just glue this together. I'm gonna put some of this, this is cilantro in it. Maybe a tablespoon of fresh cilantro in it. Right? You guys can see that. Let me just taste taste it. Banging. That's good. That's banging. Now you can go a skosh more lemon juice, just a skosh more. So it's all about taste, okay? A skosh more lemon juice. Boom. That's it, guys. It's it. That's done. It's done. So now what we're gonna do? Also, we have some chips, some tortilla chips. Put those on the side. You guys, make sure you subscribe to our video below and share and like. Let us know what you like best about this video. Look at this. Nice, easy, boom. There it is. Look at that. So there you have it, guys. Nice, easy, simple, amazing Super Bowl Sunday treat for the whole family. So guys, with that said, I'm George Duhart from George's Live Cooking Show. Make sure you subscribe below. Make sure you share this video. And guys, we're here to serve you in all of your barbecue needs, recipe needs. We're here. We love you guys. God bless you guys. Make sure you subscribe below this link. You guys are awesome. Look for the next video coming because I'm going to be sharing with you some other amazing Super Bowl recipes that are out of control. Fired up.